All right, so here we are. This is going to be day 12, all right, of actually putting a trade on this account, all right? Started on the 6th. I didn't trade yesterday, all right, and I really wasn't planning on trading today, being a Friday, right before a holiday, but towards the end of the day, this was right around 2 o'clock, almost 2:30. Oh, I just had the strongest HF1 setting up for a short. And the other indices were starting to come down. It looked like gold was starting the weekend. Just everything was there. Everything just lined up. And I said, I have to go for it. So I went ahead and I took the trade. And the yellow line here is where I actually entered the trade. It was a HF1 short, one of my four patterns. You've seen me trade these patterns before. And I had two levels down here, T1 and T2. I decided to get out of T1. I didn't want to carry the T2, even though it hit it. Still had high probabilities I was going to come down the T2, but I'm trying to be very conservative in this account because my goal is to see how long is it going to take me to do 100% return on the account. The last time I did this was back in 2020 on a small account. It was a bigger size account. Took me I did it on a monthly basis, so it took me about 40. I think it was 40 calendar days to hit it. Trading days, I don't know. It's probably only about I would think it's probably about 30 or something actual trading days during that month and a half. But anyway, 40 days to get 100%. And right now I am getting super close. So took my profit. Like I said, did not get out. Now, had I stayed all the way to T2, let me show you what would have happened. Let's take a look. 300 $383, $17 away. And I was sitting there, I was talking in the room and saying, you know what, I could go ahead and take this short again and I'd get my 18 bucks, hit 100% for Christmas. But I stayed disciplined. I didn't want to overdo it. You know, I've done that before where you're trying to get a few more dollars and then you end up giving a lot of it back. So I didn't want to do that, particularly being a Friday and everything. I'll probably be able to catch a nice little trade next week, get this count over 100%. But that is where we are at, folks. $383, one little trade on the mini Russell, and that was the end of that. So here we are, 91 point, almost 92%, 91.5%. So really close. And let's see if I can't hit that 100% next week. All right. Thinking about even restarting it again the following month and start with a really small account again. But we'll see. I mean, it's very difficult to trade on such a very small account. I don't recommend it. It's a big challenge for me because I have no flexibility in terms of putting on several different markets at the same time. So, like, I had a trade in gold today. I had a trade in the mini Nasdaq today, and I just can't do that on a small account. So, that being said, it's great practice to really focus in on discipline. All right, so it's been good for me because it's really caused me to really focus and really focus on just one good trade a day, maybe two, but and I'm so not used to that. So anyway, it's been a good experience for me, and I mean, it's if nothing else, who cares about the? I mean, the return is nice, but just being able to stay disciplined and being very selective, that's the key to success in trading. So hopefully, I can demonstrate that. Now, remember, we have a big end of the year blowout right now. So if you haven't received our email, get on our email list and I'll send you those specials. All right. So two ways you can join me in my live Discord channel every day, every morning, and during the day, and watch me trade if you like to do that. But if you like to actually learn and decide you want to go ahead and move into the training, we can do that as well. All right, so it's certainly up to you. But anyway, we've got a no risk offer on the monthly chat room, which is going to be in Discord. And then, like I said, if it's something you think you want to get into, then you can always upgrade, and then I'll teach you exactly the strategies that I'm using, not only to trade a very small account, but also how I trade in my larger account. All right, that's it. Everybody, have a nice Christmas and enjoy the weekend. And we'll be back in Tuesday, probably Tuesday morning. Probably have some good action. Maybe have a nice trade coming out of the gate and get myself over to 100%. All right, take care.